Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am painting my Vans. I have these. I've decided to paint these because well, they're not white anymore. They kind of have like turned yellow. Had them for about a year or so. So it's time. I'm using this acrylic paint from Walmart. I think they're like 94 cents each. And I have white, but I'm not sure if I'm using this one. And then I have some brushes. I basically just took a pencil and I drew the design right here, and then I painted it in with pink and took a permanent marker, and went over it. So it has been a few months now, and I finished them a while ago. Like, I finished them like a few days later, and I ended up adding this blue trim to it because a lot of people were saying it didn't look like what I was trying to get it to look like, which was like slime or like drip, something like that, but it looks like fire. So that's what I ended up doing, and the paint hasn't came off yet. It actually looks okay, and then I ended up adding this black lace to it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new here, please subscribe. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you like, comment, subscribe, and click that bell button so you can get notified for every time I post. Bye!